Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we will talk about chat link of ChatGPT. So guys, sometimes it happens some of our content are very lengthy and we cannot share it as an answer and we cannot share it in message. So how will we share the lengthy text in ChatGPT? So we will simply create the link of this chat, and we will copy it and send it to anyone, and when he will click on the link he will be able to read the text without any hurdles. So as you can see guys, when I am clicking on any chat, it will providing me three options, and in these three chats I want to share this one because this is so lengthy. So I am going to click this option, and this option is for share link to chat. And what I will do, I will simply copy the link of this chat, and it has been copied to clipboard, and I can send it on anywhere, whether it's WhatsApp, Facebook, or anywhere. If you want to attach this link on your website or with your profile and with your portfolio, so you can attach this chat easily. So you don't need to copy and paste and send. So if you are facing some of problems by copying and paste the text, so you can use this amazing option, which is a share link in ChatGPT. So you can solve your problems easily. So be smart, just simply share the link from your ChatGPT and make your work easy. So guys, this is how to share chat link in ChatGPT. Hope this will be very helpful for you. Please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.